Finding the right wireless rotary tattoo machine can be a real struggle, especially when you want precision and comfort during those long sessions. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Wormhole Tattoo Kit. Let's kick things off with the Wormhole Tattoo Kit, priced at just $43.88.
What caught my attention was how complete this kit is, especially for beginners. If you want a straightforward way to start your tattoo journey, this is worth a serious look. This kit comes with everything you need: an aluminum alloy tattoo pen, RCA clip cord, power supply, foot pedal, inks, cartridge needles, and even transfer paper. That's a lot of value packed into one kit. The rotary tattoo gun runs smoothly and quietly, which matters when you're trying to focus on your art. With a stroke length of 4 mm, it gives you the precision needed for intricate designs. The suggested voltage of 6 to 8 V allows for efficient performance, ensuring that you're not wasting energy or time. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're just starting out, having all these essentials means you won't need to make multiple purchases, saving both time and money. Plus, the dual control power supply is a nice touch. It automatically cuts off if something goes wrong, adding a layer of safety while you work. Now, some people complained about the lack of a transfer cream, which is needed to use the transfer paper. Here's the thing though, for this price, it's a small inconvenience considering how much you get. It's easy to find transfer cream online or at a local store. This kit is perfect for you if you're a complete beginner looking to dive into tattooing without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're a seasoned artist seeking advanced features. All in all, for a starting price under $50, it's a solid value. Now, if the lack of advanced features in the Wormhole Tattoo Kit bothers you, the next option definitely takes it up a notch.
Product number 2, Dragonhawk Wireless Tattoo Gun Kit. The Dragonhawk Wireless Tattoo Gun Kit retailing for $54.99. What stood out to me was the fact that it comes with 2 replaceable batteries, which is a huge win for long sessions. If you want reliability and flexibility, this is worth considering. This complete tattoo kit features a pen-style machine, 20 different tattoo cartridge needles, and practice skin. Having 20 needles means you can experiment with different styles without the need for extra purchases. The 1300 mAh batteries offer an adjustable voltage range from 5 to 12 V, ensuring consistent power throughout your tattooing process. If you're worried about battery life, the LED display gives you real-time updates on power levels, so you won't be caught off guard. Here's why this matters for you. Long tattoo sessions can be exhausting, and having 2 batteries means you can always have one charging while you work. The ergonomic design also makes it comfortable, reducing hand fatigue, which is essential during those marathon tattoo days. Now, some users have mentioned that the grip could feel a bit slippery during use. Here's my take. While that might be a concern for some, you can easily add a grip cover, which is included in the kit, solving that issue right away. This kit is perfect for you if you're serious about starting or improving your tattooing skills and want something that can last. Skip this one if you're looking for a more professional setup with advanced features. For the price, it's definitely a good deal. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who really want to step up their game. Product number 3, Dragonhawk L3 Cordless Tattoo Gun. Priced at $122, what really caught my eye was the adjustable stroke length options. If you're looking for versatility, this one is a strong contender. This tattoo machine offers 7 stroke options ranging from 2.4 mm to 4.2 mm, allowing you to customize your technique for various tattoo styles. With a powerful M-Core motor, it provides exceptional performance for lining, shading, and blending. Operating cordlessly for up to 7 hours gives you the freedom to move around your workspace without being tethered by wires, which is a game changer for many artists. Here's why this matters for you. The ability to adjust your stroke length means you can easily switch between different tattooing techniques. Whether you're doing fine line work or bold shading, this machine can adapt, making it perfect for artists looking to expand their skill set. Now, some users have pointed out that it can be a bit heavy during extended use. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your art, a bit of extra weight can actually give you more control, and the advanced design helps mitigate fatigue. This tattoo gun is perfect for professional artists or those looking to elevate their craft. Skip this one if you're just a hobbyist looking for something cheap. At this price point, it offers great features and performance. If the weight of the Dragonhawk L3 doesn't sit well with you, the next entry might just be more your speed. Product number 4. Ambition Soldier Tattoo Machine Kit. Let's talk about the Ambition Soldier Tattoo Machine Kit, which comes in at $165.99. What initially caught my attention was the high-quality components, which many professionals swear by. If you want a pro-level setup, this one's definitely worth considering. This kit is designed for serious tattoo artists, offering a powerful coreless motor that runs at speeds of up to 9,000 RPM. With a 2400 mAh battery that lasts around 10 hours on a single charge, you won't be scrambling for power mid-session. The professional-grade Glory cartridges included are made of medical stainless steel, ensuring durability and precision while tattooing. Here's why this matters. The low vibration and noise levels mean your clients will have a more comfortable experience, and you can focus solely on your craft without distractions. It's versatile enough for lining, shading, and color packing, making it suitable for any tattoo style. Now, there's a downside. This kit is more expensive than others on this list. Some might find it out of their budget, but if you're serious about your art, this investment will pay off in the long run with the quality and performance it offers. This kit is perfect for professionals looking for a reliable, high-quality machine. Skip this if you're just starting out and not ready to invest heavily. For serious artists, it's worth every penny. Now, if the price of the Ambition Soldier Kit gave you pause, the next product might be a more affordable yet powerful alternative. Number 5. Dragonhawk L3 Tattoo Kit. We have the Dragonhawk L3 Tattoo Kit, priced at $149.99. What I noticed is that it combines professional features with a more reasonable price point. If you want a balance between quality and affordability, this is a great option. This kit includes the same Dragonhawk L3 tattoo machine with the powerful M-Core motor and features that allow for both corded and cordless operation. It offers similar stroke options as the previous L3, providing versatility for different tattoo techniques. It also comes with a smart display for easy monitoring during your sessions. Here's why this matters. Having both corded and cordless options means you can use it however you feel comfortable, and the smart display enhances your user experience by providing essential information at a glance. Now, some reviews mentioned that the battery life could be improved. Here's my perspective. While longer battery life is always nice, the dual operation allows you to keep tattooing even if the battery runs low. This kit is perfect for intermediate artists looking for a solid machine without breaking the bank. Skip this if you're only doing occasional tattoos, as it might be overkill for light use. For its price, it offers great value in terms of features and reliability. So to recap, we've looked at the Wormhole Tattoo Kit, the Dragonhawk Wireless Tattoo Gun, the Dragonhawk L3 Cordless Tattoo Gun, the Ambition Soldier Tattoo Machine Kit, and the Dragonhawk L3 Tattoo Kit. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Ambition Soldier Tattoo Machine Kit because of its professional quality and reliability. Avoid the Wormhole Tattoo Kit if you're looking for something more advanced.